One beautiful Saturday afternoon, Tom decided to visit the neighborhood park. The weather was perfect. The sky was bright blue, and a gentle breeze moved through the trees. Birds sang happily, and children played on the playground. Tom enjoyed weekends because they gave him time to relax and explore. He brought a bottle of water and his favorite book and planned to spend a peaceful afternoon outdoors. As he walked through the park, he noticed something unusual near a bench. A small puppy was sitting alone. The puppy looked frightened. Its white and brown fur was slightly dirty, and its ears drooped sadly. Tom looked around carefully. There was no owner nearby. The puppy seemed completely alone. Slowly, Tom approached. "Hello, little guy," he said softly. The puppy looked up. Its tail moved slightly. Tom knelt beside it. The puppy seemed nervous at first, but after a few moments, it moved closer. Tom gently petted its head. "You seem lost," he said. The puppy gave a small bark. Tom checked its collar. Unfortunately, there was no phone number or address. Only a small blue tag shaped like a bone. Tom felt concerned. The puppy clearly belonged to someone. Somewhere, a family was probably worried. He decided he would help. First, Tom walked around the park asking people if they recognized the puppy. He spoke with joggers. He spoke with parents. He spoke with people sitting on benches. Everyone shook their heads. Nobody knew who the puppy belonged to. The puppy followed Tom everywhere. Soon, they became friends. The puppy stayed close to his side. Whenever Tom stopped walking, the puppy sat beside him. Tom smiled. "Well, I guess we're a team now." The puppy wagged its tail happily. After searching the park for nearly an hour, Tom still could not find the owner. He decided to take the puppy home temporarily while they continued searching. When Tom arrived home, his parents were surprised. His mother opened the door. "Oh my goodness," she said. "Where did this puppy come from?" Tom explained everything. He told them about finding the puppy alone in the park. His father listened carefully. "You did the right thing," he said. "We should help find its family." The puppy quickly became comfortable in the house. Tom gave it water. The puppy drank eagerly. Then it explored every room with curiosity. Soon everyone was laughing. The puppy was playful and energetic. That evening, the family discussed ideas. Tom suggested making posters. His mother agreed. Together, they created colorful signs. The poster read, "Lost puppy found. White and brown fur. Blue collar. Found at Riverside Park. Please contact us." The next morning, Tom and his father placed posters around the neighborhood. They attached them to community boards. They placed them near the park. They visited local shops. Everyone promised to keep an eye out. Meanwhile, the puppy continued living with Tom's family. Tom enjoyed having a new friend. Every morning, the puppy greeted him with excitement. They played in the backyard. They walked through the neighborhood. They even visited the park together again. Days passed. Still, nobody called. Tom began feeling worried. What if they never found the owner? The puppy seemed happy, but somewhere, someone might still be searching. One afternoon, while walking through the park, Tom noticed an elderly woman sitting on a bench. She looked sad. Her eyes were red as if she had been crying. Tom approached politely. "Excuse me," he said. "Are you okay?" The woman sighed. "I lost my puppy several days ago." Tom's heart skipped. "What does your puppy look like?" The woman quickly described a small white and brown puppy with a blue collar. Tom smiled immediately. "I think I know your puppy." The woman's eyes widened. "Really?" Tom nodded excitedly. "Come with me." They hurried back to Tom's house. As soon as the puppy saw the woman, something incredible happened. The puppy barked loudly. Its tail wagged wildly. Then it ran directly toward her. The woman knelt down. Tears filled her eyes. The puppy jumped into her arms. The reunion was beautiful. The woman hugged the puppy tightly. "I've missed you so much, Charlie." Tom smiled. The puppy's name was Charlie. The woman explained that Charlie had escaped through an open gate during a storm several days earlier. She had searched everywhere. She placed advertisements. She visited shelters. She walked through the neighborhood every day. But she could not find him. Until now. The woman thanked Tom repeatedly. "I don't know how to thank you." Tom smiled. "I'm just happy Charlie is home." His parents smiled proudly. The woman insisted on giving Tom a small reward, but Tom politely refused. Helping Charlie return home was enough. Before leaving, the woman handed Tom a small photo. The picture showed Charlie as a tiny puppy. "You can keep this as a memory," she said. Tom thanked her. Then Charlie gave Tom one final lick on the hand. Everyone laughed. Soon, Charlie and his owner walked away together. Tom watched them disappear down the street. For a moment, he felt sad. He would miss Charlie, but he also felt happy. The puppy belonged with its family. That evening, Tom sat in the backyard thinking about everything that happened. His father joined him. "You did something important," his father said. Tom nodded. "I just wanted to help." His father smiled. "That's exactly why it mattered." Tom looked at the photo of Charlie. The adventure had only lasted a few days, but it taught him something valuable. Small acts of kindness can make a huge difference. Helping others does not always require money. Sometimes it only requires time, effort, and a caring heart. As the sun slowly set behind the trees, Tom smiled. Somewhere nearby, Charlie was safely home, and that thought made him very happy.